So I got an interesting trick that I learned from a friend when I had a battery problem with my phone and also my GoPro. I'm not sure if this works with other cameras, but
on my GoPro, you see how it says no bat? Yeah.
Real quick disclaimer, I'm not responsible for your device. This battery of your device is already broken, so you have nothing to lose at this point.
So my trick is to put the battery in the freezer. Leave it there for maybe like an hour. Now, as you can see, there was charge already in the battery. So it was lying what it was saying. There's actually 84% in there, and now it works.
See how long that lasts for, but that's my experience and that's my trick. I also did this to a few iPhones. They were mostly old iPhone 6, iPhone 5C, things like that. But I believe this is a common thing that works. I'm thinking of trying it on a laptop battery at some point. So yeah, that's my trick. Let me know if it works for you guys.